Finding the right products on Amazon can make or break your affiliate income. Most beginners just find random things, hope for sales, and that's why they fail. In this video, I will show you how to find winning products on Amazon that actually convert. You can make sales step by step. My name's Jay and welcome to Affiliate Made Simple, where I show you how you can consistently make sales step by step, even if you're a beginner. If you want to turn your Amazon affiliate links into real income, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Before we start hunting, let's define what a winning product actually is. A winning product is one that sells consistently, people are already buying it, has decent commissions, ideally between 50 and the 200 price range, and is easy to create content around, demos and price comparisons. When you can find something that hits all three, you got a potential winner. Go to Amazon.com, scroll down to the bottom and click Best Sellers. This page updates hourly and shows you what's selling the most on Amazon in every single category. Pick a category that matches your niche. For example, home and kitchen, practical products that people buy, electronics, trending gadgets and tech, fitness, workout gear or health products. Look for products with 4-star ratings, 500 plus reviews and a reasonable price range between 50 to 200. Those are proven sellers. People already trust and buy them. Next, check out movers and shakers. This page shows the products that have had the most jump in sales recently, meaning they're trending right now. It's perfect for spotting up and coming trending products before anyone else starts promoting them. If you're on YouTube or TikTok, it's a goldmine for this because people are actively searching these products right now. This is a secret affiliate trick. Use Amazon's frequently brought together section. If someone's buying a camera, they're most likely buying a tripod or an SD card. By recommending bundles like a camera starter kit, you increase your commissions because people are buying these items together. Once you've found a few products, head over to Google Trends. Search for the product name and check to see if that product is steadily rising. If it's seasonal, like Christmas lights or Halloween costumes, that's fine. Just plan your timing. But if it's consistent all year round, like blenders or phone chargers, that's perfect because that's an evergreen product and will bring you consistent income. Before you decide to promote a product, ask yourself, can I create useful content around it? Here are 3 content ideas that convert really well. Reviews. Is the product worth it? Comparisons. Product A versus product B. And product demos. How to use the product. If you can easily make one of those videos, then that's the product to promote. Once you've found your winning product, head over to your Amazon Associates dashboard. Search for the product name, then hit Get Link, then you'll get your unique affiliate link code, and with this you can track your sales. If you're still not too sure where to start, here are 3 product niches that perform year-round. Home and kitchen, simple gadgets and organization tools. Tech accessories, things like stands, chargers and microphones. Fitness and wellness, water bottles, yoga mats, resistance bands. They're easy to promote and have high demand, and people love discovering new versions of them. So that's exactly how to find winning products on Amazon for your affiliate marketing journey in 2025. So remember, pick products people actually buy, validate demand, do that and you will never run out of affiliate income opportunities. If you want the full guide, I have a step-by-step free ebook, Amazon Affiliate 101. Link is in the description and the link is in my bio. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Also, pop a little comment in the section below and let me know what products you're going to be promoting next.